السلام علیکم فرینڈس، اس ویڈیو میں ہم پی پی ایس سی سروس سینٹر آفیشل ان لینڈ ریکارڈ اتھارٹی ریونیو ڈپارٹمنٹ کا 2018 کا پیپر ڈسکس کریں گے. آئیے شروع کرتے ہیں. پہلا ایم سی کیوز ہے وچ میٹیریل از یوزڈ ان میکنگ آف کمپیوٹر چپس. آنسر از سلیکان. سیکنڈ ایم سی کیو ایڈ نیو ہارڈ ویئر آپشن ایگزسٹ ان. آنسر از کنٹرول پینل. تیسرا what does RAM in computer stands for. Answer is random access memory. چوتھا ATM is abbreviation of. Answer is automated teller machine. پانچواں MCQ ہے HP is a famous brand of computer equipment. What does HP stands for. Answer is Hewlett Packard. چھٹا MCQ servers are computers that provides resources to other computers connected to a. Answer is network. ساتواں MCQ a hyperlink is. Answer is a word phrase that when clicked displays another document. آٹھواں MCQ which of the following is not an operating system. Answer is Oracle. نواں MCQ which is odd one out in this series. Answer is 65. 10th MCQ ہے complete the series. Answer is 65. 11 MCQ if 7 spiders make 7 webs in 7 days, in how many days will 1 spider take to make 1 web. Answer is 7. 12th MCQ a father is twice as old as his son. 20 years ago the age of the father was 12 times the age of the son. The present age of the father is. Answer is 44 years. 13th MCQ ہے in a class of 20 boys and 28 girls, what percent of the class are girls. Answer is 58.3%. 14th MCQ ہے if the price of 12 eggs is 96 rupees, how many eggs can be bought with 80 rupees. Answer is 10. 15th MCQ if A is equal to 1 by 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 1 and D is equal to -5, then what will the answer equal to. The answer is 36. 16th MCQ ہے simplify this equation and the answer will be 530. 17th MCQ choose the correct option. I have engaged him to act as my counsel. 18th MCQ identify the meaning of the foreign phrase commonly used in English language. Magnum opus. Answer is best work of an artist. 19th MCQ complete the proverb even sometimes notes. Answer is Homer. 20th MCQ use the correct preposition to fill the blank. He reached Lahore. Answer will be by bus. 21st MCQ identify the meaning of the underlined phrase in the following sentence. He turned a deaf ear to my advice. Answer is did not listen. 22th MCQ synonym of proliferate. Answer is multiply. 23rd choose the correct synonym inane. Answer is absorb. 24th MCQ fill in the correct preposition. She had promised to be back dash 5 o'clock. Answer is by. 25th MCQ fill in the blank. A wise man profits dash his experience. Answer is with. 26th MCQ exquisite means. Answer is of great beauty. 27 MCQ the term PVC is widely used in plastic industry. PVC stands for. polyvinyl chloride. 28th MCQ. Which of the following is not rich in protein? Answer is potatoes. 29 MCQ. Normal sunlight when passed through a prism breaks into how many colors? Answer is 7. 30 MCQ. Leukemia is a disease of? Answer is blood. 31. Which of the following visible colors has the longest wavelength? Answer is red. 32. Light travels in vacuum at the speed of 1,86,282 miles per second. 33. Night blindness is caused by the lack of which vitamin? Answer is vitamin A. 34th MCQ. River Amazon is an important river of? Answer is South America. 35 MCQ. Tower of Pisa is situated in? Answer is Italy. 36 MCQ. Chaburji in Lahore was built by? Answer is Shah Jahan. 37. Clifton is a famous beach of Pakistan which is located near? Answer is Karachi. 38 MCQ. Which of the following countries is below the sea level? Answer is Netherlands. 9th MCQ. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of USA. 40 MCQ. Saddam Hussein was a president of which country? Answer is Iraq. 41 MCQ. Ethnically Sher Shah Suri was a? Answer is Pashtun. 42. The famous Notre Dame Cathedral is located in? Answer is Paris. 43. Which of the following was a great center of education during the Abbasid Caliphate? Answer is Baghdad. 44 MCQ. The first nuclear power plant in Pakistan was established at which city? Answer is Karachi. Pontius Pilate is an important person in the history of Christianity. Who was Pontius Pilate? Answer is both B and C. 46. Who was the first non-Muslim test cricketer of Pakistan? Answer is Wallace Mathias. 47. Name the religion which believes in the doctrine of Trinity. Answer is Christianity. 48. Who according to the Christianity betrayed Jesus Christ? Answer is Judas Iscariot. 49. In the epic Ramayana, which bird tried to prevent Ravana from carrying Sita away? Answer is Jatayu. 50. Buddha was interested in elimination of? Answer is caste system. 51. What is the name of Shiva's consort wife in Hindu mythology? Answer is Parvati. 52. In Judaism, an ordinate teacher is a? Answer is Rabbi. 53. The famous novel Frankenstein was written by? Answer is Mary Shelley. 54. Who is the author of book War and Peace? Answer is Leo Tolstoy. 55. Which state of USA Barack Obama comes from? Answer is Illinois. 56. The book Friends Not Masters was written by? Answer is Ayub Khan. 57. Who was the founder of slave dynasty in India? Answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. 58. Qissa Sohni Mahiwal was written by? Answer is Fazal Shah. 59. The major language of Egypt is? Answer is Arabic. 60. Government of Pakistan named its Islamabad as its new capital on? Answer is February 24 in 1960. 61. Beijing is the new name of? Answer is Peking. 62. When was the famous Faisal Mosque of Islamabad completed? Answer is 1986. 63. Which of the following princely state was the first formally accede to Pakistan? Answer is Bahawalpur. 64. Article 6 of the 1973 Constitution deal with? Answer is high treasons. 65. Name of author of book titled A Case of Exploding Mangoes? Answer is Muhammad Hanif. 66. The National Action Plan announced on December 2014 contains point plan to counter terrorism. Answer is 20. 67. The famous Moti Masjid built in 1635 is located in? Answer is Lahore. 68. In 1973 Constitution of Pakistan was enforced on? Answer is 14th August 1973. 69. Common type of family system in Pakistan is? Answer is joint family system. 70. The famous book The Idea of Pakistan is written by? Answer is Stephen Cohen. 71. Of the following ranks of Pakistan Army, which is most senior? Answer is General. 72. All India Muslim League was formulated in? Answer is 1906. 73. Which Mughal king made Lahore his capital for 14 years? Answer is Akbar. 74. In his Allahabad address, Allama Iqbal suggested creation in India of a separate Muslim state in? Answer is Northwest India. 75. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse in British India? Answer is Dalhousie. 76. The acceptance of separate electoral gave strength to the theory which became the basis of Muslim freedom struggle. Answer is two-nation theory. 77. Which cricket player has scored the most runs in single inning in a test match? Answer is Brian Lara. 78. Cricket team of which country is called Proteas? Answer is South Africa. 79. Usain Bolt became the only athlete ever to win 3 gold medals in 100-meter race in Olympic Games. To which country does he belong? Answer is Jamaica. 80. Andre Agassi was a famous player of? Answer is tennis. 81. Since the beginning, how many Olympic Games have been held in Africa? No game held in Africa, so answer is 0. 82. In June 2014, King John Carlos I abdicated in favor of his son Philip VI. To which country did King John Carlos belong? Answer is Spain. 83. In March 2018, during his Middle East tour, Prince Charles took part in a dance known as Saudi Sword Dance. 84. Gestapo was the secret police of? Answer is Germany. 85. North Korea, all 6 nuclear weapons tests were made on? Answer is Mount Mantabson. 86. The headquarters of World Trade Organization WTO is located in? Answer is Geneva. 87. Babri Mosque, which was demolished by Hindu extremists, is situated in province state of Uttar Pradesh. 88. In the beginning, unrest in Syria grew out of discontent with the Assad government was a part of? Answer is Arab Spring wave. 89. The current president of France is Emmanuel Macron. 90. The Treaty of Versailles ended the World War I. 91. فتح کا مترادف ہے؟ آنسر از ظفر. 92. کتاب طوطا کہانی کس کی تصنیف ہے؟ آنسر از حیدر بخش حیدری. 93. علامہ اقبال کا پہلا شاعری مجموعہ کون سا ہے؟ آنسر از بانگ درا۔ 94 مشہور ڈرامہ سیریل اندھیرا اجالا کس ادیب کا ہے؟ آنسر از یونس جاوید۔ 95 اردو شاعری میں تعلیٰ سے کیا مراد ہے؟ آنسر از شاعر کا اپنے حق میں مبالغہ کرنا۔ 96 اردو افسانہ گڈریا کس کی تخلیق ہے؟ آنسر از اشفاق احمد۔ 97 چاند چہرہ ستارہ آنکھیں کس مشہور پاکستانی شاعر کا مجموعہ کلام ہے؟ آنسر از عبید اللہ علیم۔ 98 ماہ تمام کس کا شاعری مجموعہ ہے؟ آنسر از پروین شاکر۔ 99 ایڈیم پروز اینڈ کونس کے درست مطلب کا انتخاب کریں۔ آنسر از موافق و خلاف باتیں۔ 100 لفظ گال کا مترادف ہے۔ آنسر از رخسار۔